All right, how you doing? David Arndt with the Mark Sarasota. This is really exciting. Welcome to your 2018 Mark Topping Out Party. We're really happy to have you here. This is a real huge milestone for us in the construction industry to top out. So right now, Joe and I are on level 12. By the time we have our event, we will be pouring the remainder of this floor out here, as you'll see. Just unbelievable views. This is our penthouse level. Great 360 views all the way around the building. All right, so here we are. This is the 10th level overlooking the pool. What we got formed up down here is the bottom side of the pool. Now, not the whole slab is the pool, but that's where the pool sits on that slab there. So that's 4.5. We call that the mezzanine. You can see the formwork coming out at level 5 there. And then we've got block work on 5, 6, 7. We've got reshoring, which are the silver bars there holding up or supporting the slab on 8, 9. We've got also reshoring on 10, and then the tables are up on 11, which now we're getting ready to pour another section of 12 on top of that. All right, so now we've made it down to level 6. Level 6 is getting exciting. Now we can actually see the shape of the corridors going to each apartment. So right now our first step is to stand up the metal framing on the demising wall, separating the apartments from the corridor, and then the demising wall separating each apartment from the other apartment next door. The other thing you'll notice here is you'll see the shine on the ground. That's the layout of the interior framing in each apartment. So that's the next step. The blue marks are indicating heights of ceilings in those areas. Okay, so we've gotten down to level 5 now. On level 5, we got a couple things going on. The majority of our block on the exterior walls has been laid and is being finished right now. The other thing that's happening here is I'm standing on a structural deck that at the end of the day gets a topping of foam with some wire mesh and then another concrete slab. That second concrete slab gives us elevations to step down onto our plaza deck that allows us to have slope to the drains. So you got to elevate this interior deck in order to step down to the exterior side and drain out. What you'll see around here is on the end of the building, we did a test area where we poured that topping slab just to make sure that we had everything worked out perfectly, and now we're ready to pour the remainder of this. So right now, you'll see the club space start to form, our newsroom start to form. In this area, we've got the elevator core coming up, and you can also see our risers coming through from the plumbing, sanitary, and our storm risers also coming down through the ceilings. The gray turned up are electrical conduits coming up into walls. The northeast corner, we also have window frames for the sliding glass doors, and those are being prepped, and eventually they will be set in place as well too. All right, well, we're going to sign off here from the 5th level. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. We hope you are having and had a wonderful evening. We're honored to have you as our homeowners at the Mark Sarasota. We look forward to continuing to give you updates and to your closing and your moving in. Take care, and thanks again for joining us this evening.